Alright, how you doing? Pat here. I just want to make this short video here to let you know there's some changes coming to the channel. Today, Halloween of all days, I just thought I'd update you here, and I'm going to be changing the channel name. Pat's Rides was never really meant to be a YouTube channel in the first place. It was just something I created so I could have my own, I guess my own ways to like other people's channels and just to post a few videos of my own for family and friends. Nothing somewhat serious. And then, what was it, maybe 2018 or so, I decided to start making some of my own videos to try to kind of do what the people that I like to watch do. It's been relatively fun, and if you want to know what the name of the new channel is and where it's going to be going, watch this intro. Here it is. Alright, well, there's my new intro. I think it's kind of catchy. I like it anyway, but it's just one of those things that'll always be fluid. I'll always be changing it here and there. The last thing I want to do is get stagnant in any way, shape, or form. I'd like to say thank you to the 350 some subscribers I have up today. I appreciate every one of you. It was nice of you to hit that subscribe, and as always, give me a thumbs up if you would. I'd appreciate it. Helps me grow the channel, helps me maybe even reach some more people. The reason I changed the name to Pat's Adventures and Travels was a couple of reasons. One, I already said, Pat's Rides was never really meant to be a YouTube channel. And I wanted a name that kind of reflected more of what I'm doing with this channel. And now that I've got the adventure bike, that's kind of where the adventure came from. And I've always loved, well, shouldn't say always, but since I've been addicted to motorcycles, I've always loved to travel by motorcycle. And I thought it would just be a neat play on my first name, Pat's Adventures and Travels. I know, somebody will think it's lame. I thought it was kind of funny. But anyway, sorry the neighbor's mowing. But hope you like what I've done with the channel to this point, and look for some more. And a quick little bonus thing. Right here, I have designed a slightly new logo for my channel. And I might even be getting some stickers made up, so look for that. Maybe if I see you out in town or something, I can throw out some stickers your way. If it's something you're all interested in, let me know. Alright, thanks for watching that. And oh, before I forget, I'm probably going to be taking a couple weeks off from posting anything right now. I've got some videos in the works that I'm in the process of getting edited. It'll be all under the new channel name with a new description, the whole 9 yards. So look for that coming. Not sure if I'm going to have enough content to get me through the winter or not. If not, oh well. And if this COVID stupidity will ever go away, I am hoping to do my Prudhoe Bay, Alaska trip starting in June of 2021, since I didn't get to do it in June of 2020 of this year. Stick around and look for that. Anyway, again, thanks. If you would, hit that subscribe button right there below. And I'm going to try to be kind of consistent right now, post some videos over here you can watch. If you would, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.